Dream interpretation using ChatGPT. Come on, let's see what happens. We all know that we got a whole bunch of stuff to try out with this super cool AI tool, so let's figure out if Chat can actually interpret your dream. I typed out my hypothetical hilarious dream. I ran towards the woods and bumped into Dora. She started making me cringe, so I hit her with a pack of Doritos. And to this prompt, this is what I got. The first paragraph, it simplifies what dream interpretation is and on what parameters do dreams depend. Then it begins interpreting the dream piecewise. It says, Dora in my dream symbolizes exploration and adventure. Bumping into Dora and feeling cringe symbolizes unease, and hitting her with Doritos in hand signifies a defense to that discomfort. Later on, it stresses on how it's highly subjective and personal and reflects a lot of personal things and desires. In the last, Chat asks me to consult a therapist, or keep a dream journal and seek proper guidance. What?